Welcome to Mind Mystics. My name is Jasneet, and today we are going to do a powerful all 7 chakra meditation to boost your aura and attract positive energy, which will allow you to manifest your dreams. So sit comfortably with your spine and neck straight and close your eyes. Detach yourself from your surroundings. And as you close your eyes, prepare yourself to go deep within. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take another deep breath in and take another deep breath out. And imagine drawing into a divine white light pouring from the universe, from your head to your body. Now say silently that I am opening myself to the healing and empowering energy of my chakras. Now bring your entire focus to your root chakra. A root chakra is based at the bottom of your spine. It has a color red to it and it has an element of earth. The root chakra gives you the strength of stability, security, grounding, and physical strength. So bring your entire focus to your root chakra and breathe. Take a deep breath in, focus on your entire root chakra and breathe. And as you breathe, visualize a deep red lotus flower with 4 strong petals spinning slowly at the base of your spine. See its roots growing down from your body into the earth's core, anchoring you deeply. As the roots reaches the earth, they absorb purity, grounding energy that travels back to your body. Like a liquid fire infusing your entire being with strength, courage, and protection. So deep breath in. Focus on your root chakra. Feel the strength, courage, and protection being transferred from the Mother Earth through the roots of your root chakra. Now let's vibrate this root chakra with its beach mantra LAM, L-A-M, LAM. Take a deep breath in, LAM. Take a deep breath in, LAM. Take another deep breath in, LAM. Affirmation time. I am deeply rooted. I am secure, safe, and strong. My aura is grounded and full of strength. Now take a deep breath in. Feel the energy of your root chakra and accept it with a smile on your face and gratitude in your heart. Now with a breath in, bring your attention to your sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is located right below your navel. That's where your reproductive system sits. It has the vibration and element of water. It has the color of orange, and it has the strength of creativity, sensuality, joy, emotional intelligence. So bring your entire attention to your sacral chakra and breathe through your sacral chakra. Feel the orange color ball revolving, swirling in your sacral chakra, and imagine it swirling over your vertex like a glowing sun resting in your pelvic area. Feel the pulse with waves of sensual warmth and joy. You feel this energy flowing like a river, like a fluid, freeing and passionate. This energy cleanses any emotional blockages and fills your aura with vitality, joy, and creative flow. So bring your attention to your sacral chakra and let's vibrate this energy source with its Bij mantra, VAM, V-A-M, VAM. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. Affirmation time. I embrace my emotions and passion. I radiate joy and I attract creativity, loving energy. Now take a deep breath in, feel the energy of sacral chakra and allow it to spread in your body with love and gratitude in your heart. Now take a deep breath in and bring your intention to your solar plex chakra. It's located at your upper abdomen just above your navel. It has a color of yellow, radiant yellow, and has an element of fire. Solar plex allows you to feel confidence, have a strong willpower. You have a self-esteem and the power of transformation. So bringing your entire attention to your solar plex, feel this fire and visualize a bright golden sun swirling powerfully in your solar plex area. Its rays are shooting out in every direction, burning away fear, doubt, and hesitation. The inner fire energizes you with unstoppable determination and radiant self-belief. Your aura becomes like sun, magnetic, confident, and full of life force. So bring your entire attention to your solar plex chakra. Feel this bright golden sun at your solar plex, and let's activate this energy system with its mantra, the Bij mantra of Ram. Take a deep breath in. Ram. Take a deep breath in. Ram. Take another deep breath in. Ram. Affirmation time. I am powerful, confident, and worthy. My inner light attracts success and positivity. So take a deep breath in and feel this energy with a smile on your face and gratitude in your eyes, and feel the confidence running from your head to your toe. Now with a deep breath in, bring your attention to your heart chakra. It's located right at the center of your chest and has the color of emerald green. The element of heart chakra is air, and it has the strength to love, compassion, forgiveness, and empathy. So visualize a luminous green rose blooming in your heart chakra. Its petals soft yet infinitely strong. Now visualize a golden light pulse at its core, radiating pure, unconditional love. With each breath you take, it expands the green energy outwards, filling your chest, arm, and your entire aura with divine love, compassion, and healing. So feel this energy with every breath you're taking in and every breath you're taking out. And let's vibrate this energy source of your heart chakra with its beach mantra YAM, Y-A-M, YAM. Take a deep breath in, YAM. Take a deep breath in, YAM. Take a deep breath in, YAM. Affirmation time. I give and receive love freely. My heart is open and my aura glows with warmth and kindness. Now take a deep breath in, feel the energy of your heart chakra vibrating and spreading with every breath you take. Just like the element air you can't see but you can feel, the vibration of your heart chakras flows and is felt exactly like how you feel the air. Take a deep breath in and now bring your entire attention to your throat chakra. It's located inside your throat, has its color sky blue, and it has an element of space. The throat chakra allows you to be truthful, to be communication, to have an expression with authenticity and confidence. So picture a vibrant blue disk of light spinning in your throat like a clear blue sky after a storm. Every time you breathe, it becomes brighter, allowing your voice and truth to rise with clarity and strength. Feel the blue ripple of energy flowing from your heart, refining and cleansing your aura with honesty, authenticity, and vibrations. Feel the power of the universe, the space, right at your throat chakra, giving you the power to communicate. And communication can also happen in words and through vibrations. So let's activate this throat chakra and its energy center with the Beej mantra Hum. Take a deep breath in. Hum. Take a deep breath in. Hum. Take a deep breath in. Hum. Affirmation time. I express myself clearly and truthfully. My words attract harmony, clarity, and connection. Take a deep breath in and feel the energy of throat chakra vibrating, flowing inside your body, connecting to every cell, brain neurons, and allowing all the body parts to receive the communication and send the communication back. Take a deep breath in and accept this vibration with a smile on your face and gratitude in your heart. Now, with a breath in, bring your attention to your third eye chakra, located between the eyebrows, having its color indigo and having an element of light. The third eye chakra strengthens your intuition, inner vision, insight, and spiritual wisdom. So visualize a deep indigo light or a lotus with two petals glowing between your eyebrows. A beam of purple light flows outward from your forehead, opening your mind's eye, where you begin to see beyond the surface into truth, intuition, and universal patterns. Feel this energy. Take a deep breath in. And this vision sharpens your aura, making it wise, magnetic, and spiritually aligned. Take a deep breath in and let's activate the third eye chakra, the energy center with the sound of the universe, Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take a deep breath in. Affirmation time. I trust my inner wisdom. My mind is clear and I attract clarity and divine guidance. Now take a deep breath in and accept this energy of seeing through without fog, having your vision cleared, guided by your inner wisdom, which is spiritually aligned. Accept this vibrational energy with a smile on your face and deep gratitude in your heart. Now take a deep breath in and bring your entire attention to your crown chakra. Crown chakra is not a part of your body, but it is located at the top of your head. It has the color violet or white. The element of crown chakra is the cosmic consciousness. It strengthens the unity, enlightenment, divine connection, and the infinite potential. So bringing your entire attention to your crown chakra, envision 1,000-petaled lotus in violet, radiant white, blooming at the crown of your heart. A stream of golden light from the universe pours into it, flowing down into your body and radiating outwards into your aura. This connection makes you feel blessed, limitless, and divinely guided. Feel this energy, take a deep breath in and allow your aura to glow like a halo, filled with spiritual power. Feel the energy of your crown chakra, and let's vibrate this energy center with the sound of the universe, Om. Take a deep breath in and let's repeat Om for 3 times. Breath in. Om. Affirmation time. I am connected to the divine light. My aura radiates peace, purity, and divine intelligence. Now take a deep breath in and feel the energy of crown chakra vibrating in your entire body, making you feel blessed, limitless, and divinely guided. Accept this energy into your body with love and gratitude in your heart. Now visualize all the 7 chakras glowing in their full strength, aligning you from your root to your crown. As they spin harmoniously, their light merge into a multicolored aura like a rainbow that surrounds you like an energetic energy field. This aura is strong, radiant, and is protective. With every breath in, expand the aura outwards, attracting positive opportunity, loving people, and divine synchronicity. Take a breath in and a breath out. Feel this energy, feel the positivity inside you, and allow your body to raise the frequency and attract positive opportunity, loving people, supporting people, and divine synchronicity. And say to yourself, my energy field is powerful and radiant. I attract everything that aligns with my highest good. Place your hands over your heart and thank your body, thank your energy, and thank the universe. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And take a final deep breath in and bring your attention back into your body. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, feeling energized and luminous. Welcome back, and rub your palms. Generate the heat. Create a heat. Try to rub them even harder so that you feel the heat as you rub your palm against each other, and bring this heat to your face, cup your face and eyes, give it to your entire body, your heart, move your hands and give it to your entire body as you touch from your palms to your body. All your health, relationship, career goals are already achieved. Tathastu, Tathastu, Tathastu. And as you open your eyes, let me know how you're feeling. It's best if you use this meditation for 21 days straight, morning and evening, or try to do it once a day to align your chakras, to vibrate at a level, to raise your frequency, to attract positivity in your life, attract loving people in your life. Let me know how you feel about this meditation, and let me know if you're doing it regularly. So this is Jasneet Srivastav signing off from Mind Mystics, and I'll see you again with a new video. Enjoy.